Hello, today I'm with E63 S AMG. I'm going to show you how to open and set up Equalizer in radio station. So let's open radio station firstly and tap on settings button. Now select Equalizer from the list. In here, as you can see, we've got three options: bass, mid and treble. You can manipulate them by tapping on these icons. Let me show you. And that's the effect of manipulating on these options. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.